Machine Gun Kelly made a surprise appearance at Lollapalooza Saturday, mostly upside down. Fans got an alert on day 3 of the festival. MGK was there for a special show. Within an hour, he appeared at the Bud Light Seltzer Sessions side stage and performed to, well, let's just say a more than packed audience. It had 20 times the number of people permitted in the space. At Machine Gun Kelly, this was insane. #MGK. pic.twitter.com/7genfucked06p. Laura B, at Laura Baxter _ August 1, 2021 at Laura Baxter _ He performed Kiss Kiss, more hit songs from Tickets to My Downfall, and a cover of Misery Business. But there was more: My Ex's Best Friend, Bloody Valentine, and Drunk Face. And then, the stunt, MGK dangled from the rafters, upside down no less, as fans repeatedly screamed, "MGK!" At Machine Gun Kelly X at Bud Light pic.twitter.com/meekschenstuke. Laura B, at Laura Baxter _ August 1, 2021 at Laura Baxter _ The festival has drawn around 100,000 people, and health officials are super worried it will become a super spreader event with the surge of the Delta variant. Fingers crossed.